today's shot. I hope it's not as bad as yesterday. So let's see. Much better. And I have my water now. And my sage tea, which was prepared overnight. The good thing about this bottle is that it lasts, like my tea lasts for around 12 hours warm in here. So I don't need to do that in the morning, and it saves me some time. Constantly tired. Waking up at 9, going to bed at 3 in the morning. No way you are gonna ever have energy to do anything. Okay, so if you really want to change, if you really want to lose weight or have a better body composition, you really need to change. And I'm not even talking about the diet, but I'm talking about your mindset. And the feeling, the constant feeling of tiredness will destroy you, will not allow you to do anything. So keep in mind that not only eating healthy is important, but also you need to have health habits. And why every day, at the very beginning of the video, you see me with my morning routine, because this is very important. That's the moment when I tell my body, it's time to wake up. Let's go back to work. I know, buddy, you were working the whole evening, cleaning, detoxing, but now you're gonna, the day is a new day. Everything gonna restart, you know? And I always wake up nowadays, thank God, full of energy. And that's no joke. Because my cortisol levels, they are really regulated now. Before, I kind of have this reverse cortisol, so I used to be constantly tired. Jesus Christ. And I was so tired. All I wanted was my bed. And of course, there are days which I'm really tired, like today, for example. It may not look like, but I woke up at 4 in the morning. Don't ask me why. Actually, I woke up because I needed to pee, and then I couldn't sleep again. I was in bed until 5:20. Woke up, had my routine, and I was really feeling really good. Exercised, did my upper body, and went to work. Was in the office until 5. Went home, went to the supermarket, and now I'm here having my dinner. Finally, super happy because it's solid food. And but now I'm feeling tired. I'm just feeling I want to get done with my video, have my dinner, put my dishes in the dishwasher, and have a shower and go to bed. I have other things to do, but what I wanted to say, what I want to share with you is that you really need to change your mindset so that you're going to be able to spot those villains that you have in your life, in your day-to-day life, which are like sucking really all the energy you have. And really, once you do that, you see how much better your life will be. Your lifestyle will improve much more. So if you don't believe me, just start with like going to bed a little bit early, waking up a little bit early, and start having a shot. Yes, some curcuma or ginger as well, lemon, propolis if you have. If you don't, you can skip that as well. And it will make such a huge difference. Drink some water, 500 or 400 ml of water every day. When you wake up, will like simply change your life. And have a tea as well. If you drink coffee, I would say to eliminate that for a small period of time, 3 days or even a week, but try to implement teas, and different teas, you know, because different teas will serve different purposes, and I can talk a little bit more about that as well in another video. But today is about energy. If you're feeling constantly tired, really change. At least like those tiny little changes will make a huge difference. You're not gonna gain much more energy through food, through your diet, but it will help a lot. Although When you change your habits, and you start to implement better habits into your day-to-day life, you see how much better your day will be, and soon you will realize that you are a person full of energy that can do 1,000 different things in a day. And that's it for today, content wise. Let me share with you the cost of my meal today. So today in the morning I had 2 eggs and a bowl of watermelon, like 500 grams of watermelon, and that cost me €1.67. Okay. And then I had lunch. My lunch was 200 grams of prawns with 100 grams of potato and 100 grams of broccoli and 100 grams of pumpkin. And that sum up to €8.06. Yeah, a little bit more expensive than yesterday, no? And then I had oatmeal. My oatmeal also cost me €1.20. So I had oatmeal with banana and almond milk. And now for dinner I have chicken, 120 grams of chicken, 100 grams of broccoli, pumpkin and potato as well, 100 grams. And it costs me €4.72. And I will have today, I'll show you that, guys. I love it. I am fit ice cream. So it's an ice cream, a homemade ice cream with whey protein, and I really love it. I call it ice cream, but it's not really an ice cream, but it's ice cream for me. And it will cost me €1.27, and the whole eating of my day will cost me €17.01. Yes. I'm really excited to eat because the food is smelling very, very good. That's very good. Only because I wanted to eat the ice cream, everything went wrong. I was supposed to only use 50 ml of milk, but as you can see in the video, I used 200 and I forgot about it. I was focusing on the video, and then I forgot the other things I had to do. But yeah, that's the final product. I will show you guys, but disregard it. Tomorrow, make it again.